in Latin America. And really, the statistics are amazing, and hopefully it foretells things to come in the United States. But since we started lending in 1973, we've serviced over 1.3 million clients in Latin America and Africa.
That's an amazing number.
It's pretty astounding, and it's over $5 billion. And we're talking about really small loans, much smaller than here in the United States.
For example?
About $600 is our average loan size in Latin America and Africa.
So would you say the philosophy is a little can go a long way, huh?
Exactly.
So perhaps you can give us an example of a success story of somebody who received a loan of $600 from Accion and what they were able to accomplish.
Well, it's interesting, because the methodology is really grow with Accion. Take the first small step, maybe renew and make another investment in your business. I was actually in Bogota, Colombia a few weeks ago, and I was able to visit a small business owner who's winning one of the success stories. Here's this guy who started out in a really small rented space selling eggs and cheese to a little shanty town outside of Bogota. And he started out with a really small loan of $300. He was able to grow that business to the extent, buying inventory, investing in machinery for his little market. He was able to grow that business to where he was able to purchase the lot across the street and have his own shop. Could you imagine the empowerment of someone now owning a home, which is now their business place, as well as growing the business to the extent where now he supports his wife and 2 kids. And so it's a tremendous impact that a little money has.
That's quite inspiring, and I understand, based on my former research when I was working in Argentina with the Inter-American Development Bank, there was a big focus on microenterprises and how the micro-lending and microenterprise sector is truly a catalyst for combating poverty, not only in the most impoverished areas, but really in any economic development zone.
Exactly. We're talking about having a presence all over Latin America. Right now, we're in 20 countries in Latin America. We're in Haiti as well, in the Caribbean. In addition to 7 countries since 2000 in Africa.
Which countries are you in Africa?
Just to name a few, we're in Ghana. We're in Cote d'Ivoire, the Ivory Coast, just to name a few. And so, that's a relatively new presence for us since 2000. But the idea is really to go global with this whole concept of microenterprise and using Accion's experience.
Now, are you familiar with what is the determining factor for Accion in deciding, okay, well now we're going to go open up in Mozambique? What's the criteria that Accion's looking in terms of growing?
That's a really great question. I don't think Accion ever picks a place where they feel that their services aren't needed. So the first thing we do, and we did this here in Miami, was sort of do a feasibility study on that area. What other organizations already exist? Is there a microenterprise organization that's already servicing the community? Is there a space for Accion services? So that's what we do. We go in there, we analyze the demographics, how many business owners are there in a particular country or in a particular area in a country, and is there another organization that's already servicing that community? And so that's more or less how we go about picking the country that we go into.
Okay, so how is Accion funded?
Well, we have all types of funders, private as well as some public. Internationally, we have some pretty large grants with, you mentioned one of the Interdevelopment Bank.